Hello everybody, welcome to the Java example section. In this section, I'm going to create a program being the gift box weight checker. First, I would create some biscuits and chocolate instances, and all these instances will be put into a gift box instance using the ArrayLists. So that means a gift box would contain some number of biscuits and some number of chocolate. Okay, and after that, I would check whether a gift box is overweight. If it's overweight, I would return the content of the overweight gift boxes on the console. Now let us see the biscuits class and the chocolate class first. For a biscuits class, I simply have the constructor that helps me set up the weight of a pack of biscuit, and I'm able to return the weight of the biscuit by using the getWeight method. Similarly, for my chocolate class, I would have two instance variables. One is the weight of a given pack of chocolate, and the other one is the flavor of the chocolate. Okay, and the constructor is able to help me set up the two instance variables, and I have also the two getter methods for the two instance variables. Okay. Now I can make use of the biscuits and the chocolate classes to create my gift box class. Okay, let me go to the gift box class. Because I would like to use ArrayLists in my class, I need to import it first. Okay, after the import, I'm able to use the ArrayList class. Now I set up two ArrayLists, one for biscuits and one for chocolates. The first ArrayList is having a reference variable called biscuit set. The other ArrayList is called chocolate set, which is going to store some chocolate object references. Okay. So the first ArrayList is going to store some biscuit object references. I also have I also have an instance variable that represents the total weight of a given gift box object. Now I'm going to set up the constructor of my gift box class. Here I'm going to set up an array of double primitives that stores the weights of particular packs of biscuits. So for example, if this array has two elements, it means that I'm going to pack up two packets of biscuits into the gift box. Same for chocolates. I can pack a number of pieces of chocolates into the gift box. I also have one array of string references that mentions the chocolate flavors of the chocolates contained in my gift box. Okay, this is the content of the constructor. When I create a gift box object, I'm going to create an array list of Biscuit references. Okay. Here I use the new keyword. That means that when I call the constructor, I really create some spaces in my memory to store Biscuit references. I can do similar things for the chocolate set array list. That particular array list will be storing chocolate references. Now I can really put something into these two array lists. Here I'm going to handle the biscuits first. From the biscuits weight array, I would have the number of biscuits packs given by the length property of this array. Okay. Okay, what does it mean by this sentence? This sentence is simply telling the program to really put some biscuits objects into the variable called pack, which is a reference variable to a biscuits object. Okay, so here I create a new biscuits object. And I'm going to put it into a variable first. After that, I will put this reference into the Biscuit set array list. Okay, in this case, the array list of Biscuit set would be having one new element. Of course, when I put one particular pack of biscuits into the gift box, the total weight of the gift box will be increased by the amount of the weight given by that particular pack of biscuits. Okay. Here I refers to the particular index of the biscuits weight shown on the biscuits weight array. When we go back to the driver program, we would be able to understand what it means later. So for similar things, I can set up the array list that stores the chocolate set. Okay, here the reference variable called pack would be having the chocolate type. And when we refer to the chocolate class, we would see that the chocolate constructor would need me to mention the weight and the flavor of a particular pack of chocolate. Of course, it changes to chocolate set. Okay, for chocolate class, I also have the getWeight method, so I simply remain the same statement as before. So in this case, I would be able to create chocolate objects that will be put into the chocolate set array list. Okay. So in this case, I'm able to set up a number of biscuit objects indicated by the weight of the biscuits, together with some chocolate objects indicated by the chocolate weight and the chocolate flavors. After that, I can set up some getter methods for my gift box. I have to put the getter method outside the constructor. So I put it here. Okay, this is the method that would return the size of the biscuit set array list. That means I'm going to see how many packs of biscuits have been put into the gift box object. Similarly, I can set up the getter method for the number of chocolates contained in the gift box. Okay, this size method is simply the size method for a given array list. Okay. This is the getWeight method pertaining to the gift box object. So I would simply return the weight of the particular gift box, which is obtained by adding up all the weights from the biscuits and from the chocolates. Now I can set up a method called showBiscuitsWeights. That means I'm going to show the weight of each piece of biscuits contained in the gift box. So you can see that I'm going to loop over all the elements in the array list called biscuit set. And from this array list, I'm going to return the weight of each pack of biscuit in this biscuit set. Okay, this getWeight method refers to the method from the biscuit class, which is this one. Okay. I can do the same thing for chocolates. Of course, I have to change the thing to chocolates. For example, the data type and the method name, and also the array list that stores the chocolate objects. Of course, I have to use the getWeight method from the chocolate class now. And also need to show the flavors coming from gift box. Okay, the getFlavor method comes from the chocolate class, which is this one. Okay. So I loop over all the elements in the chocolate set ArrayList, and from this ArrayList I'm going to use the getFlavor method for each of the elements in this ArrayList. So this completes the gift box class. Let me save it first. Okay, let me check. Okay, I can eliminate this S. And put this S here. Okay, so let me save it. I have no errors coming from the gift box class. So now I can go back to the driver program. Let me go back to the constructor of the gift box class first. Okay, when I have this constructor, I can set up the gift box objects in this way. Because I'm going to handle a number of gift boxes, I can also make use of the ArrayList data structure to help me store the individual gift boxes. So I import the ArrayList class into the driver.java program first. So I'm now going to set up an ArrayList of gift box references. The reference variable for this ArrayList is called boxes. Okay, then I can really create some gift boxes. How can I do that? I can do something like this, according to the constructor of the gift box class. Now it means that I have 2 packs of biscuits. One pack is having 200 grams and the other one is having 100 grams. Okay, this is the array that stores the biscuit waste that will be put into the gift box constructor. I can do similar things for chocolates. Okay, I have 2 chocolates. One is having a weight of 200 grams and the other one is having 100 grams. So now I have 2 chocolate sets. And also I need to set up the flavors of each chocolate pack. So the 2 packs of chocolate would be having the taste of mint and orange respectively. So after I have set up these 3 arrays, I can put them into the constructor of the gift box. Now I put the first array of double primitives, which represents the weights of each pack of biscuits. Also, I'm going to put the arrays representing the chocolate weights and the chocolate flavors into the second and the third position of the gift box constructor. Okay. So this completes one gift box. Because I used the new keyword to set up a gift box object, it means that the memory in your computer would be allocating some space to remember this particular gift box of this kind of content. Okay. So I can set up another gift box. The code is quite similar, so I can copy and paste the previous code. For my second gift box, I'm going to put 3 packs of biscuits of these 3 weights. Also, I'm going to put 3 chocolate sets in the second gift box that I'm going to create very soon. And the flavors of each of the chocolate packs will be having these values. Okay, so now I have another gift box object being put into the boxes array list that stores the gift box references. Okay. So how can I check the weight of each gift box object? I can do something like this. I'm now going to loop over each of the elements in the gift box array list. If the total weight of a certain gift box is larger than 1000 grams, I need to show the information of that particular gift box. Okay, here I simply show the user that the box with a certain number of biscuits and a certain number of chocolates is overweight. That means I can make use of the getNumBiscuits and the getNumChocolates method in order to show the number of biscuits and chocolates contained in a given gift box. I can also show more information about that particular gift box. I can show the biscuits weight by using the show biscuits weights method from the gift box class, which is this one. Okay, I'm going to list the weight of each biscuit. That means I'm going to return these numbers one by one. Okay. I can also do the same thing for chocolate. And also I'm going to show the flavors of the chocolate. Okay, the show chocolate waste method and the show chocolate flavors method are shown in the gift box class here. Okay. I can give a new line after printing the results. So let me try to save it. Let me check. Oh, it should be 1, 2 only. Okay. So let me save again. Okay, let me run the driver program to see the situation. Okay, I will have these results. What does it mean by that? It means that I'm able to see that my second gift box is overweight because the sum of these 6 values would be larger than 1000 grams. Okay. And when this happens, I'm going to show the contents of that particular gift box. I can show the number of biscuits being put and the number of chocolates being put. And I can also able to show the particular weights of each biscuit set, each biscuit pack. I'm able to show the weights of each chocolate pack, and I'm able to show the flavors of each chocolate pack. Okay. So by using this kind of program, I'm able to show the situation of each particular gift box object. Okay, and when we use this approach, we are simply having a gift box that contains a number of biscuits and chocolate objects shown in the gift box constructor. Okay, when we have new keywords here, we are simply creating biscuits objects together with the chocolate objects that will be put into the gift box object. My code is intuitive and straightforward, but it may not be always the best or the most efficient approach to the problem. If you can suggest any idea to improve my code, please do so on the comment section below the video. If you like this video, please give me a like and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.